Hi guys, this is a really quick tutorial on how to wrap the end of a heart-shaped wreath. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do whenever you're wrapping a wreath with odd corners is wrap the corners so that as you're wrapping the wreath with your ribbon or your burlap, you don't have to worry about this part. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to take this and you can kind of measure it. You're going to be gluing it right here in the corner, and then you're going to take it around and glue it here. So I see that I need this much burlap, so I'm going to cut this piece and glue it on. Okay, so my piece is cut, so now I'm going to glue this part right here and then flip it over and glue it on the back. And be careful because hot glue is really hot, so just make sure that you don't burn yourself. So I'm gonna let this cool for a second. I'll be right back. My next step is to fold these two pieces in and glue them so that it forms a point. And I'm just going to actually glue the pieces in on itself. So I'm gonna just fold this in like this, and this one in the same way. So I have a little bit of extra burlap right here that I'm going to trim off, and then I'll be ready to wrap my wreath.